Well, got everything grinded down. The inside of the cab here. Starting to do some priming, blocking, replacing the about the same. Not a whole lot's changed, but a lot of grinding. Oh, what a job. What a nasty job. I gotta pull those two port holes right there. Pull these two out. Port lights. Already got the side windows out. Got all this grinded. Fixing to start patching up the holes. Look like one's already been done right here before. And that right there is where the electrical panel sit right here. I'm gonna grind that off. I think I'm gonna box all that off with wood. I don't know yet. But I went ahead and cut this side berth completely out. Got it cut out. Fixed to start grinding all that down to where I can tab it in, tab the new wood in. We'll put a new bulkhead in here. These bulkheads feel strong though. I don't think there's anything wrong with them. And this one right here, I think the only reason this one right here rotted out was on account of that ice box from the outside, and a lot. I mean, that stuff could have been rebedded as well, the sanctions and all that. But I think the biggest culprit of that bulkhead right there rotting out. I got to cut it off all the way up in there and follow the contour of the without messing that up. I don't want to mess that up. I don't want to fix no more than what needs to be replaced. And then I got to redo this right here. You can see where the masthead fell a little bit right in there. I'm gonna cut all this out from the top and redo all that. But yeah, that's the inside anyway. Just went ahead and still got to pull this engine out. It's an old MD6 engine. I'm gonna pull it out and see if I can find another one. I'd like to find another one just like it, sit back in there that's been rebuilt. That way, I'm sure it got good hourly fuel usage. We're gonna be riding ICW a lot, motoring it, doing a lot more motoring than probably sailing the first year. So need a good reliable engine. Anyway, that's where we're at now. Just more grinding and sanding and trying to research where to get the wood from to redo all these and the hatchway. Put new rubbers in the port lights. I want to found one of these new, but it doesn't tighten all the way up, so I need to find some that's threaded a little bit longer and get new rubber seals for everything. Some daggone screens. Last thing you want to do is get on the ICW without a way to keep the mosquitoes out. They say the mosquitoes are big enough to tote you off up there. So anyway, that's the update. Slowly but surely, nothing but time, I guess. That's looking pretty good up through there. That's what it looks like primed after I completely stripped it.